Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to switch to TaxAct from another tax software in a smooth way. First, gather your previous year tax return from your current software, because you may need it for reference or importing data. Now go to the TaxAct website and create a new account or sign in if you already have one. Once inside, start a new return and look for the option to import prior tax data or upload a PDF of last year's return. TaxAct will automatically pull key information like income, deductions, and personal details. If import is not available, you can manually enter your information step by step using your old return as a guide. Next, review all imported or entered data carefully to ensure accuracy. Then continue with your new tax year entries and updates. Finally, proceed through deductions, credits, and filing as usual, completing your transition smoothly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.